Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Patty. Today I'm going to be continuing to experiment. I wanted to show you a few things. Dwight Pours has the most beautiful pearls. He's got it down pat, uses thin paints. I wanted to show you a few that I didn't film, and then I'm going to do another one, experiment. This right here, thin paints, I used 2 color of blues. This was done with the background of Artist Loft White and milk paint together. I didn't really measure how much. I just put a teaspoon of milk paint in the Artist Loft White, thinned it down. The colors almost the same consistency, but just a little bit thicker. Now on this one, I like it. Got me some pearls, but the flocculation here, wasn't thrilled with that. But this is one, and this is with milk paint and Artist Loft White. This next one, same colors. This is done with the same consistency, but the white has a couple tablespoons of Deco Art satin. So a little bit different. Don't like this one as much. Sort of looks like an elephant. Got some pearls. Anyway, that's that experiment. And then this one is done with semi-gloss house paint. I really like the composition of this one. Colors, the only thing I don't care for is this part right here. You can see that. I mean, it's not bad. I actually really like this one. Got some nice pearls. Same consistency, same colors. So that's all 3 of them. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm hoping to get some pearls. Okay, I got some gloves on. Let's get going. So I'm going to go ahead and put the white in first. Now I don't know if I'm going to have some negative space. I guess it depends on how I tilt it. So I'm going to try not to have a lot of paint in here. Put more gold than the other colors. Okay, I'll let that sit. I'm surprised that black wasn't sinking. And I'm going to go ahead and flood the canvas. So I'll have Dwight's link down below. Check him out. He's got this making pearls down pat. I'm going to be tilting, so I'm not going to worry too much about that. Go ahead and give it a torch. Okay, go ahead and pour. I'm just going to pour down the middle. See where we end up here. Go back over. I'm going to pour a little bit more background on the outside. The only reason why I did that is because I did that on some of my prior videos. The web effect. Not sure if I needed to. Now, I've only usually done 3 colors with this effect. And I haven't done it with a white background. I've done it with a blue background and a red background. So you could check out my other more videos. If you're interested in the web effect. Okay, let's give it a little minute. Let's see what happens. I started getting little pearls before I tilted, so that makes those pearls a little wonky. All right, I'm going to bring it down a little bit, and then I'm going to turn it off and come back in about 15 minutes. All right, it's been about a half an hour, and you know, I got a few pearls and some other weird stuff going on. I'm not sure. I might take the white out of it, try these colors again. Okay, it's actually been about an hour and nothing's changed. So this recipe, I like this. but it's not giving me pearls or any kind of reaction that I would want. But I do like it. I like the color, so